Music. Welcome to my Avalara review. Check the description for links. Avalara is powerful tax software built for businesses of all sizes. It automates sales tax, VAT, excise, and other transaction taxes. It's perfect for companies juggling complex tax rules across multiple states or countries, making it a favorite of e-commerce platforms, retail chains, and global enterprises. Avalara simplifies tax compliance, saving you time, reducing errors, and freeing you to focus on growth. One key feature is real-time tax calculation. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify, QuickBooks, NetSuite, and Salesforce, ensuring accurate sales tax during transactions, including location-based rules, exemptions, and thresholds. Avalara's tax database is constantly updated, keeping you compliant with changing regulations. Its returns feature automates tax return preparation, filing, and payment. No more manual data entry and complex forms. Avalara gathers the data, creates the returns, and even files them for you. Plus, get detailed reporting on your tax liabilities and transaction history, perfect for audits and internal reviews. For international businesses, Avalara supports VAT and GST compliance, handling everything from digital goods taxes to cross-border transactions. Its exemption certificate management tool helps maintain and validate certificates, avoiding unnecessary charges. Avalara scales easily, working for both startups and large enterprises. Pricing plans are tailored to different business needs. Whether you run a small online store or a multinational corporation, Avalara simplifies tax compliance and minimizes risk. Bottom line, Avalara is essential for businesses prioritizing accuracy, efficiency, and compliance. Want a reliable tax automation solution? Check the links below.